Good morning, everybody. My name is Tayler Lopez, and I am the program specialist here at FORWARD NM Area Health Education Center. And today I'm going to be going over the AHEC Scholars. So the AHEC Scholars program is a federally funded nationwide initiative to create a group of health professionals across disciplines committed to working together in rural and underserved communities. The New Mexico Area Health Education Center Scholars program will prepare students to enter the health professions workforce more effectively. The program is designed specifically for college health profession students who have a strong interest in providing care to those living in rural and medically underserved communities across New Mexico. So if you're a college student in a health career field, then you can apply to be an AHEC scholar. So AHEC scholars will be leaders in their fields, having gained the knowledge, skills, and training to improve primary care practice outcomes through interprofessional and collaborative training and experience. New Mexico AHEC scholars will be selected from various health professional programs and regions of the states. They will participate in a 2-year collaborative training and experience. New Mexico AHEC scholars will be selected from various health profession programs and regions of the state. They will participate in a 2-year program that includes 40 hours per year of didactic training related to 6 core topic areas. The 6 core topic areas are interprofessional education, behavioral health integration, social determinants of health, culture competency, practice transformation, and current and emerging health issues such as opioid addiction. A significant part of the didactic training will include intensive system leadership workshops with an NM AHEC scholar cohort. In addition, scholars will participate in an interprofessional primary care AHEC tele-echo clinic. AHEC scholars will also receive 40 hours per year of community-based, interdisciplinary, team-based experience as part of their regular clinical training each year. Each cohort of scholars will have the opportunity to network with other scholars and faculty through in-person and online training and seminars. Some benefits of being an AHEC scholar are intensive leadership training, expert mentorship and training recognized by faculty, acknowledgement as an AHEC scholar and graduation program, formal certificate of completion that can be added to a CV known as your curriculum vitae, participation in a statewide interdisciplinary group of future healthcare leaders, membership in the National AHEC Scholar Initiative, and some programs may offer academic or honors credits. So one way that you can apply is going to the NM AHEC Scholars program website. I will post it in the link. It is a great opportunity for college students if you are in a health career and pursuing a health-related degree. It's a good program to join. I will look into joining it. I will also be uploading a link if you could fill it out on our SurveyMonkey, and you could be entered in a chance to winning a free gift card at the end of the month in a raffle. If you have any questions, go ahead and get a hold of our FORWARD NM AHEC or the AHEC Scholars, and we can answer your questions. If you have any questions on how to apply, what is needed, who can apply, you guys can reach out to us and we can help you with that. Thank you.